Today we are going to be making an instant jalebi recipe. The ingredients are sugar, chini, all-purpose flour, maida, curd, dahi, cardamom or cardamom powder, ilachi, baking powder, and some orange food color. You can also add turmeric powder instead of a food color. Now take a bowl and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, which is maida. For 1 cup of maida, add 1/3 cup of curd. And also add half teaspoon of baking powder. Make sure that the measurements are correct. Mix all the ingredients well. Add some water and mix the batter. The batter should be in a flowy consistency. Mix the batter properly. There should be no lumps formed. If there will be any lumps, the jalebis won't come properly. Once the batter comes into a falling consistency, we'll add some food color to it. Food color is optional. We are adding only to get that orange color jalebis. Now keep the batter aside. Take a bottle and keep a hole to the bottle's cap and pour the batter into the bottle. You can also do this with a milk cover or some plastic cover. You can make the plastic cover into a cone shape and put the batter into it. Now take a bowl and add 2 cups of sugar. For 2 cups of sugar, we will add 1½ cup of water. Stir continuously until the sugar dissolves. Boil the syrup. Once the sugar comes to a boil, add cardamom or cardamom powder. Stir continuously. Check the consistency. And add some food color, which is optional. Boil the syrup until it's come to a stringy consistency. Add some lemon juice. We are adding lemon juice so that the syrup doesn't crystallize. The syrup should be in a half string consistency. Now take a pan and add oil or ghee. In some oil, we are adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the oil is heated, make round jalebis. Don't worry, the jalebis won't be round in 1 or 2 attempts. It takes some practice. Make sure that you fry jalebis only on the medium flame. Fry the jalebis until they become into a golden brown. Once the jalebis become golden brown, put them into the syrup which we have prepared before. Do not soak the jalebis in the syrup for more than 30 seconds. Flip over and soak on both sides and take them onto an iron rack. Crispy and juicy jalebis are ready. Serve them hot. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.